In today's video, I'll teach you how to upload photo on Facebook without losing quality. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So first of all, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option settings and privacy that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is tap on this option settings. Now you'll be able to access the settings. Simply scroll down. Under the section for preferences, you'll be able to find this option for media. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the media interface. Now in the media interface, what you have to do is find the option for upload HD. Right now that option is not available for me. But if that option is available for you, make sure to toggle on that option. Now after you do that, simply go back. Now you can simply proceed to upload the photo. For that, tap on this option what's on your mind that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, tap on this option photo or video. Now make sure to select the photo of top quality. Now once you do that, whenever you're creating the post, make sure the internet connection is stable. If your internet connection is not stable or if your internet is slow, the quality will be reduced. So make sure the internet is stable. Now after you do that, you can simply proceed to create the post and tap on this option next in order to upload it. Now wait for a while and your photo will be posted. Now the photo will be of the top quality. The quality will not be reduced. So that is how you upload photos on Facebook without losing quality. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.